A Walmart AutoCare appointment usually doesn't confirm because the selected time slot is no longer available, your booking wasn't completed, your account session expired, or there's a temporary issue with Walmart's scheduling system. By the end of this video, you'll know how to figure out which problem you're dealing with, and the fastest way to get your appointment confirmed. First, check whether you received a confirmation email or text message. If you only reached the final booking screen but never received a confirmation, the appointment may not have been saved at all. Next, refresh your appointments page in the Walmart app or sign in through walmart.com. Sometimes the booking exists, but the app hasn't updated your account yet. If the appointment doesn't appear, try booking the same service again. Tire installations, oil changes, battery replacements, and other AutoCare services can fill available time slots quickly. If the original time disappeared, choose another available appointment instead of repeatedly selecting the same one. Another good step is signing out of your Walmart account and signing back in before making another reservation. An expired account session can interrupt the scheduling process without displaying a clear error message. If you're using the Walmart app, make sure it's updated through the Apple App Store or Google Play Store. Older versions occasionally have scheduling bugs that prevent appointments from being finalized correctly. If the app is already current, switch to a web browser and complete the booking on walmart.com. If the website confirms your appointment successfully, the problem is likely with the mobile app rather than the AutoCare scheduling system. Also check your internet connection before submitting the appointment. A weak Wi-Fi signal or unstable mobile data connection can interrupt the final confirmation request, leaving the reservation incomplete. If you're scheduling service for a specific vehicle, verify that the vehicle information is correct. Incorrect tire size, vehicle details, or selected service options can sometimes require you to restart the booking process. If you continue seeing an error message, write down the exact wording or take a screenshot. That information makes it much easier for Walmart support to identify whether the problem is related to your account, the selected location, or the scheduling system. If none of these steps work, contact the Walmart AutoCare Center, where you plan to book the appointment. They can confirm whether appointments are available, verify whether your reservation exists, and help schedule a new time if necessary. The fastest fixes are checking for a confirmation message, refreshing your account, updating the app, trying walmart.com, verifying your vehicle details, and contacting the AutoCare Center if the appointment still won't confirm. If this guide helped, like the video and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting tutorials.